Do yourself a favour, Mr. Geegan, have a look at this.
Do you think getting tattoos would really improve my image?
Look at it this way. It can hardly make you worse.
I'll go as soon as I finish my snot shake.
Hey, kid.
Yeah?
It's your lucky day. You just became our 1000th customer.
What a surprise!
That means that you're entitled to a free tattoo from our budget range. Have a seat. What design would you like?
How about the jewel-encrusted crown and pair of crossed enchanted swords?
No problem. Just roll up your sleeve.
I already have done. Oh! Ow! Oh!
Don't forget our 24-hour return policy. If you don't like the one you've got, come back within 24 hours and we'll exchange it.
I feel like a real man now.